How to turn off comments, push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down here, you will find settings and then notifications, and here you will find comments. Just click on it and you will find here this one, push. Just click on it if you want to turn it off and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.